have another list of golden rules for you. But make sure to pay special attention to these ones, because not following them could risk your very ability to make money from your blog. You must disclose that you will receive a commission if someone buys something through your affiliate link. This is something we already addressed when we created your site, where we put a disclosure in the footer. This is the bare minimum you can do to not get banned, but remember, trust is king in the world of affiliate marketing. It actually benefits you to disclose to your audience next to every affiliate link that it is indeed an affiliate link, so consider adding a short disclosure next to every affiliate link on your site. It can just be as simple as adding the words affiliate link, but the more obvious you make it to your audience, the better. If you mention the price of a product on your site, it must be updated regularly. As we may already know, the price of many products on Amazon changes regularly, so to make sure your audience is not misled about the price of an affiliate product, you must have a way to make sure that it's automatically updated when it changes on Amazon. If you can't, then don't mention the price at all in your content. Now here's yet another shameless plug. You actually don't have to worry about the prices of products imported onto your site via our own Shopify app, as it will automatically update the prices of your affiliate products. We'll take you through how to install and use it in the next video. Do not use a URL shortener or in any way cloak your affiliate link. You cannot in any way disguise your affiliate link as anything other than an affiliate link from Amazon. If you are worried about how long your URL is for any reason, the Amazon Associates dashboard has its own URL shortener you can use. Do not use affiliate links in emails, ebooks, or free downloads. You must only publish your affiliate links to the sites that you told Amazon you would publish them on. Emails, ebooks, or free downloads are not your site that you've just created, so don't add them directly. One important thing to note, though, is that you are instead allowed to link to your site in emails, ebooks, or free downloads, which of course have affiliate links on them, so you can still earn commissions from your audience if they click through to your site. Do not purchase anything via your own affiliate link. This may go without saying, but Amazon gets pretty cross if you're making your own Amazon purchases using your own affiliate link. The same goes for if you directly share your affiliate link with friends and family. Do not create multiple Amazon Associates accounts per region. There's really no reason to have more than one account per region, so it's just simply not worth the hassle. To clarify, you are allowed to have Amazon Associates accounts in multiple regions, but to play it safe, make sure you sign up for them using the same Amazon account you used to sign up for your first Amazon Associates account. Don't pretend to be Amazon. This one may also go without saying, but don't in any way pretend to be Amazon. They will really not like that. I can't emphasize how important it is to follow these rules. No one wants to risk the income coming from your blog, so please follow them and you'll be able to enjoy the commissions on your site for years to come. Now the next video is yet another shameless plug. We're going to show you how to install our own Shopify app to your store to make managing the Amazon affiliate products on your site a breeze. See you there.